Hey folks, working on a new recipe today for something I found recently at HEB. It's a chili con queso dip. This is not like, what you normally think of like a queso where, it's warmed up and you dip corn chips in and whatever. Think of this more like a French onion dip style. That's what this was like. And I really, really like this. And it's not really expensive, so I can get this anytime. I think it's less than $2 for this. But I wanted to share this with people that don't have access to HEB. And it allowed me to use one of my favorite new ingredients is nutritional yeast. Because this doesn't have like cheddar cheese in it, and it's served cold, a potato chip dip. So the nutritional yeast has a really good cheesy flavor to it. And I really wanted to try this again. I mean, I've been using this for other recipes and other things from time to time, and I really do like it. So after reading the ingredients, I really wanted to try this. And I'm like, hey, I've got the nutritional yeast. I've got some paprika. I've got annatto and turmeric. Let's see if I can put this together. So here's how I made it. Okay, I'm going to add 8 ounces of sour cream to some 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And I want to get these combined together before I add the rest of the ingredients. So I just want to smash it up. Then I'm going to switch over to a whisk. Now that I've got these combined, because I'm going to start incorporating the rest of these ingredients into the dip. Yeah, there. That looks good. Okay. Nice and smooth now. I'm going to switch back over to the spatula to incorporate the ingredients now. Now I decided to go with the hot jalapenos on this because I think I want this to have a nice kick with all of that, the cream cheese and the sour cream. And then here I have the annatto, the turmeric, and the paprika. So that's a 1/4 teaspoon annatto, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and then the star of the show, 2 teaspoons of the yeast extract or the nutritional yeast. It gives it that really great cheese flavor. I was wondering about how I was going to make this originally when I first thought of this. I was thinking of using like cheese powder. But then after I read the ingredients list, I'm like, nutritional yeast. Taste it, see if it needs any salt. And yes, it needs some salt, so I'm just going to add some salt to taste. Don't oversalt it because you're going to serve this with potato chips, and they're generally pretty salty as well. So I want to add a little bit, and then I'll give it another taste, see if it needs any changes. Okay. Nope. It's a good amount of salt. Tastes good. Really good. So I'm going to put this in a serving container, refrigerate it for at least an hour, and then give it a taste test. So stay tuned. Well, let's see how this goes with some potato chips. Looks really good. I think I got the color spot on. Definitely looks right. So let me get a bigger chip here. Yeah, this looks really good. Oh yeah, that's the kind of texture I'm looking for. Like that French onion, dip for potato chips. Get a big dip here. Wow, that is spot on. That is so good. I'm so glad I did go with those spicier, those hot jalapenos, because it really stands out. And yeah, you know, with the sour cream and the cream cheese, it really buffers it a lot. So you want a little bit more of a kick with those spicier jalapenos. But that is really good. Frankly, I think this is better than the HEB brand. That is really good. That is spot on. Well, there you go, folks. If you don't live in Texas, you don't have any HEBs near you, you can make your own chili con queso like this, and I think you'll enjoy it. So if you do make this, let me know. See how it turned out. I'd be interested. Thanks for watching.